is today on the 20th of April 2024. Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
We have, but it doesn't matter. We have the code.
Yeah.
It's on Björnsonsgatan 52 in Blackeberg, Stockholm, Sweden. It was built in 1996, probably the beginning of 1996. These rare buttons. It's actually amazing because
Yeah, of course.
rare buttons. The number is 104568, and yes, I would like to turn over that. Yeah. They also have the floor cases outside.
Yeah.
We have the code to all the 10 stickers here, so we'll get all of them at the same time. Down to the basement floor.
These pit bike mice that maintained by Schindler.
I love the sounds in this bed in here.
Same.
That window for the automatic door is rare as well.
Yeah.
It's the same shape as with on the manual doors.
Yeah.
That's also something rare. I don't see that so much.
Yeah.
Not too much here either.
That's
That's it. Thank you.